Alexa, turn the lights orange. You guys, I just woke up from a nap and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start cleaning because I have to get to it. Ignore all this. I'm going to be doing my hair this week. I know I look like crap, but I wanted to show you guys. Before I gained weight, I used to be on the last row already. Now I'm back to the very first one and it fits me so tight. Like, all my weight, it went to my stomach, it went to the back over here, my arms, like it mostly all went to my side, and a little bit over here on my thighs. They did get bigger, but I'm just like, oh my god, like, can I be back to the first row again? Like, I hate how we are, like, we're so skinny and we want to gain weight, then we gain weight and we want to go back to being skinny. Like, we're just never happy with ourselves. Guys, look at all this mess that I have going on here. OMG. I have to clean my closet. My boyfriend sleeps over and little by little he has been piling up all his clothes here, and I'm just like, okay, like, do you want some drawers already or what? I have a mess everywhere. We just got that and I just shoved it there. My bed, oh my god, I'm kind of embarrassed to show all this, but this is how it looks. My mini fridge over here is full of a bunch of random stuff, so I'm going to clean all this up. Yesterday at the Halloween store, I ended up getting cute little napkins, some of these, and the matching plates. And I also got some of these plates. Everything was like 50 cents except for these. These were like $1. And then we have some Halloween decorations because we're gonna be making some monos outside of the house. We're gonna put a wig on one of them. I got this one at Walmart. And then we just have like some stuff from the dollar store and all this stuff. Like, oh my god, so I'm just taking everything to the garage because all this is just Halloween stuff. Okay, you guys, having a goddaughter means having her toys everywhere. You guys should see the living room. It's a mess. Do any of you guys have pillows that are like so wangas? Like more wangas than your culo? That's literally me. Like these gray ones right here. I've been having them for such a long time. I've tried to replace them many times and I just can't. Like I keep going back to them because they're the only ones that are comfortable to me. I decided to turn off the lights just because there was a lot of glare going on with the frames and with the TV. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I do have a mini fridge inside of my room just because I live in a 2-story house and you guys know how that is. It's annoying, you know, every time you're thirsty or you want to grab a snack, to be going downstairs like cada rato, it's like no. So yeah, and then my closet, I didn't end up cleaning it completely. I only picked up half of it. That I might film a separate video on that. I still need to clean out my closet and like take out a bunch of clothes that I'm not using, take out some shoes that I'm not using. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Lo que otros no miran, tiro el humo al viento si me hablan de envidias. Uno de ustedes solo se